Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Gould, Associate Medical Officer of Health for York Region. York Region Public Health continues to make every effort to keep our communities safe by monitoring COVID-19 data daily and implementing additional COVID-19 health measures when needed. Additional measures for residents and party hosts came into effect Saturday, September 4th, 2021. These address further isolation requirements for all York Region residents and a requirement of party hosts in private and commercial premises to maintain a list of names and contact information for all attendees and provide it to York Region Public Health within 24 hours if requested. With children and educators now back in the classroom, we have also implemented an enhanced screening tool to be used daily before attending school and childcare in York Region. We have added runny nose, sore throat, and extreme tiredness and muscle aches to the list of symptoms in our screening tool that would prevent attendance at school and childcare centers. The decision to implement an enhanced local screening tool comes out of an abundance of caution given previous school, childcare, and other outbreaks amongst children, youth, and teens were cases that had these minor yet common symptoms for their age group. The ongoing threat of COVID-19 and the Delta variant has continued to impact York Region, especially during this fourth wave. Implementing these additional safety measures will help prevent COVID-19 from getting into school and childcare settings. The screening tool can be found at york.ca/safe at school. It is very important children do not attend school or childcare if ill. Let's work together to keep schools and childcare centers open for in-person learning. Next week, Ontario will require people to be fully vaccinated and provide proof of their vaccination status to access certain businesses and settings to reduce risk. This is an important step to encourage every eligible Ontarian to get their shot. It is also critical to protecting the province's hospital capacity while also supporting businesses with the tools they need to keep customers safe, stay open, and minimize disruptions. The province is currently working on a mobile app for vaccine certificates. In the meantime, you can download your vaccination receipt from Ontario's booking portal by visiting covid19.ontariohealth.ca. While these measures help us keep the community safe, we can't do it alone. We need residents to continue following public health guidelines, even if fully vaccinated. Ensure you are providing accurate contact information and your name when you attend an establishment or event. If we can't reach you to notify you of a potential exposure quickly, you run the risk of unknowingly infecting your family and friends. Most importantly, all eligible York Region residents need to get vaccinated. As recently mentioned by Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health, unvaccinated individuals are at greater risk of severe illness and are 29 times more likely to be hospitalized and 48 times more likely to be admitted into the ICU compared to those who are vaccinated. The most recent weekly incidence of COVID-19 in our community is 155 cases per 100,000 for unvaccinated individuals, compared to 16 cases per 100,000 in vaccinated individuals. An increase in cases causes a ripple effect in the community. The more cases, the more opportunity for transmission, and the greater the opportunity for the virus to enter school and other settings with vulnerable populations. We know there are some people who are anxious of needles and others who would prefer to wait a year after the vaccine has been released, but time is not on our side. You owe it to yourself, your family, and the community to visit a vaccination clinic and have your questions answered and make the decision to be vaccinated. If you still need a first or second dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, we encourage you to make an appointment or walk in to one of the many pop-up clinics in our communities. A weekly schedule of pop-up clinics, locations, and hours is available at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated.